dated 16 July 1985.
Respected Chairman, sir. Respected Chairman, sir. I want to express my gratitude to the various ministries, public sector undertakings, and Department of the Central Government for prioritizing sports quota recruitment.
One second. Interest of the farmer is not served by sloganeering or crocodile tears. Maintain decorum. I know it. You are only politicizing it. You don't want a solution. No, you don't want solution. Nothing is going on at all. Kisan is your last priority. Kisan is... One second. Listen to me. One second. Please. One second. Can you hear me? One second. क्या हो रहा है? Take your seat. Please go to your seat. I'll tell you right now. What is this? Please take your seat. I will be forced to name and make very strong comments. क्या हो रहा है? ये ड्रामा कर रहे हो? Drama, nothing else but drama. I don't want drama. No. P.T. Usha.
I want to express my gratitude to the various ministries, public sector undertakings, and Department of the Central Government for prioritizing sports quota recruitment.
Nothing is going on record.
It is heartening to witness the support extended to our talented sports persons, facilitating their inclusion in various government organizations. While acknowledging the positive steps taken, I would like to draw your attention to a critical matter that requires consideration for the continued benefit of sports persons, recruitment through sports quota.
Ask them to sit their seat. I'll take them after some time.
The existing policy outlined in DOPT Office Order dated 16/7/1985
only after they go to their seat.
Special casual leave to 30 days.
They have to go to their seat.
Appears to be inadequate for the proper training and development of these athletes.
They have to go to their seat.
Such a restrictive policy has led numerous sports persons to either halt their sports careers or withdraw the active sports despite having the potential to excel in sports.
No.
I would like to draw your attention.
First you go to your seat. Go to your seat first. First go to your seats. Go to your seats. If you don't go to your seats, I know how to deal with situation. Go to your seats. Go to your seats. One second. रुकिए एक बार. मैं बता रहा हूँ. सुनिए. Honorable members, I had the occasion, and listen to me carefully. We did not work for 5 days. During those 5 days, Rule 267 notices were raised. Not a single one regarding farmer. Now crocodile tears? No, not given. No, not given. I am aware. You are not given. Only now. No. I'll allow Pramod Tiwari after she has concluded. No, so बैठिए. After one more. After interval. P.T. Usha ji, please continue.
Respected Chairman, sir, I want to express my gratitude to the various ministries, public sector undertakings, and departments of the central government for prioritizing sports quota recruitments. It is heartening to witness the support extended to our talented sports persons, facilitating their inclusion to various government organizations.
No, I will not.
By acknowledging the positive step taken, I would like to draw your attention to a critical matter that requires consideration for the continued benefit of sports persons recruited through the sports quota. The existing policy outlined in DOPT Office Order dated 16/1985, restricting special casual leave to 30 days appears to be inadequate for the proper training and development for these athletes. Such a restrictive policy has led numerous sportspersons to either halt their sports careers or withdraw from active sports despite having potential to excel in sports. I would like to draw your attention to the special policy implemented by the Indian Railways, which recognize the need for continued training and development of sportspersons. The Indian Railways offers special casual leave and incentives such as cash awards, auto-tut promotions, and increments to meritorious athletes to boost their morale. I propose that the DOPT order dated 16/7/1985 be
Dr. Dinesh Sharma, Dr.